How does it go? Like this? Is it a thing that people do?
I don't know what you're trying to do.
Well, there's the intro then. Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Here's some social media stuff, and you can also subscribe to the channel. Don't press that button though, because that's just an the image, and then I edit it to make it look like it's a button. But don't push it, because it won't do anything for you. Yellow pals. Hey, it's Recap Monday, but on a Wednesday because I had some stuff going on. I'll be honest with you. Pancake got a little sick. She's good now though, so don't worry. Everyone that wants this channel to become a pancake channel, which it probably will eventually, because that seems like a natural evolution. Like a Pokemon, but with less effort. Today we are recapping a box from 2KICXS. 2KICXS is a shop up in Wisconsin. I've gotten 2 boxes from them. The reason that the timing of this is the way it is because I just opened up a 2KICXS box last Friday. You can check that video out here if you really want to, or after this video, or don't do either of those things. That's cool too. Oh, first of all, if you want to see like their website, they have one. It's 2KICXS.com, and their Instagram is at 2KICKS_shoes. Their boxes are mystery boxes. They're not by any means like beater boxes. Like they don't get as many shoes in as Soul Supremacy does. I don't think anybody does. But 2KICKS boxes were initially designed to be either inventory bolstering or they're supposed to be for inventory bolstering or long-term holds. And that's exactly what I did with the very first box. The box that we're doing a recap of today was opened way back in, I think August of 2020, August 18th. So let's go back to 2020 and check out this $750 2KICKS mystery box. Roll that beautiful bean footage. First up is an Air Jordan 1 low in a grade school size 5.5 youth. So these are the gym red lows that just came out pretty recently. It's this nice, simple, color blocked gym red Air Jordan 1 low. This might be another grade school pair or a small pair. I'm not 100% sure. It's a size 6.5 youth Air Jordan 1 mid in a grade school size. These are the light smoke gray Air Jordan 1 mid. Grade school size, again, 6.5 youth. Got an Air Jordan 1 in a size 9. Nice. Another dead stock pair. So this is a release that I personally thought would do a lot better than it did, but it's still good. This is the Pine Green 2.0 Jordan 1. It's actually, the leather quality is not as bad as I expected it to be. This is my first time seeing this pair in hand. They smell pretty funny. Got another dead stock pair. I think they're just called like purple camo or something like that. Interesting. Really interesting, actually. And we got one more pair in this $750 2KICKS box. It's a size 11 Air Jordan 4. This is another pair that hadn't seen a retro since like the mid 2000s or something like that. It's the cool gray 4s. I really like this pair. I think it's really very well done. Like the dog from the baked beans commercial with the bald man. Good at videos. The last pair that sold were the Pine Green 2.0s, and they sold on June 11th of 2021, which gives this box a turnaround time of about 10 months, which seems like a long time, but given the way the 2KICKS boxes are structured to be like long-term holds, that's what I did with the box. So the estimated market value on this box at the time we opened it was still very good, even with that stipulation that the boxes are meant to be holds. That number, the number being the estimated market value, was $1,240 or $470 more than the actual box cost of $760, or sorry, $770. I forgot about the membership fee. They had membership back in the day. I don't know, look it up. But that gave this box an estimated net return of $388.74, or a return on investment of 50.49%, which even at the time of the box being opened was still really good. Guess what time it is? Spreadsheet time. Here it comes. The actual gross sales for this box totaled out to $1,170.84 which is actually pretty close to the estimated gross. Then we subtract the box cost, fees, all related shipping costs, I guess. Well, it doesn't really count because it was all goat. We're left with an actual net profit of $400.84, or a return on investment of 51.35%, which I think is the very first time the actual net profit, or the actual net profit and return on investment was actually higher than the estimates. I think this might also be the very first box where the estimates and the actual sale prices were pretty close to each other, like not even far off for ones that sold more than the actual estimates. There's kind of a lot to dissect with this box, but let's go over 3 very important things. Well, kind of. Number 1, the age-old question, to hold or not to hold? Bill Shakespeare said it. When 2KICXS started up, I think last year, 2019, I don't remember, but I remember talking to one of the owners, Nate, who is actually the sole owner now. Sole owner, shut up. But he said, like, he pretty much laid it down very adamantly that the boxes are designed to be long-term holds and to bolster inventory. He still has the same mentality for the boxes that he does now. Granted, he puts in worn stuff now, but it's like very close to dead stock condition worn stuff, so it's pretty nice. But overall, as you could probably tell by the estimated market value on this box and the estimated market value on the one that we opened last Friday, they're good for quick flips and even better for long-term holds, so it's kind of a pick your poison thing. If you want to quick flip and sell and make some money, you can actually do that. So good on 2KICXS for providing that. Number 2, something we touch on in every single video, because consistency. Estimated versus actual profits and numbers, I guess. I don't think I've ever been this close to estimates and actuals being pretty identical. Like, to be within 1 percentage point in terms of return on investment on both aspects is pretty awesome. Like, it's something I've never actually done before, mainly because market value is always, like, I never sell anything for market value because then stuff is going to be sitting around forever. But at the same time, that's the benefit of holding things long term, especially unworn shoes. Like, it's pretty much consistent that unworn shoes, except for Adidas and Yeezys, because let's be honest, that doesn't happen, especially as we learned from Yeezy Day on Monday. Check out the prices on black reflective 350s. But DS pairs always go up, especially Jordan 1s, so that's why I had no problem holding any of these, because what, 3 of the 5 pairs were Jordan 1s? And number 3, this isn't really one part. It's kind of just like a general info dump. General info dump, reporting for duty. I said dump and duty. God, I'm 12. This channel sucks. But something, a couple interesting things I learned about this box was, number 1, I got the box in like mid-November and the video didn't go live until September. So the values of every single shoe, well, not every single shoe, but most of the shoes in that box actually went up from the time I bought the box until the time the video went live. And in some cases, a significant amount. And I think that's just something that most of you probably know, that, I mean, there's always that like 5 to 7 day time period when a new release, or after a new release comes out, the values just kind of slowly go down because people just get their pairs and they want to dump them. So that kind of benefits someone buying a box like this, because you can buy the boxes for, I mean, it's not way below market, but it's definitely below market by the time you even get them from the time you purchase them, if that makes sense. I think the most notable jump about this entire box was the light smoke gray mids. And the timing of it was really weird, because that's right around when the Air Jordan 1 Dior collab came out and everyone was like in love with that colorway. And the light smoke gray mids are pretty spot on to that colorway. Like, you may have even noticed in the video that the Gym Red 1 grade school Jordans were, the value on them was $205. So what I did was just listed them at $230 on GOAT, which is pretty much what I do with all the new pairs that I get. I just put them $25 above the lowest price and just kind of monitor them from there. They sold for $230 because that's $25 above $205. Math. Now, in terms of the cool gray 4s, I think the value in the video was $325 and they ended up selling for $385. I do remember listing them for $350 on GOAT, but then just kind of paying attention to it, I knew they would go up eventually, so I'd just like add 10 bucks if I saw that the price changed a little bit. And then eventually they sold for $385, which is $60 above market value at the time of the box opening, which is great. So, I mean, I have absolutely nothing bad to say about these boxes. They don't have the kind of inventory that Soul Supremacy has, but I think what they're doing with boxes is probably the best execution in terms of people that want to get into the beater boxes that or mystery boxes that can't purchase Soul Supremacy boxes. So I highly recommend getting boxes from them. Follow them on Instagram, because that's when he announces boxers are going on there. I want you guys to know, it's like, he's not paying me to say this stuff. Like, he's just a good dude, and his boxes are really good, and I'm not gonna BS you guys, because what do I have to gain from that? Definitely, like, I don't get a commission from selling stuff on 2KICXS because I have my own website to deal with. But definitely check them out. I think they're super worth it. I know a lot of people think so too, so you gotta be quick on the draw when it comes to them. Thanks for watching. Sorry the video was a little bit late. Pancake over everybody though, as you guys probably already know. So hopefully this video's up on Wednesday. It might be up on Thursday because till the next time we meet, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye. Mwah. Kisses.